So in case you find yourself in TalkBack mode on your OnePlus 15, here's how to turn it off. You can
double tap to perform the action.
It's gonna keep talking, so I'm gonna reduce the volume. Okay. Now what you need to do is
ring a volume.
And
hold
as soon as you
finger on the screen and press the volume. 6 custom photo 67%.
So as soon as you tap or press the volume buttons, you'll see two volume options for the media and for the accessibility sound. Okay, so once you hit select it once, you can use two fingers to reduce the volume and the volume all the way down. So now let's attempt to turn this feature off. So basically what you need to do is just tap on something to highlight it. So let's go to settings and then double tap to select settings. So on the main settings page, you scroll using two fingers. Okay, so I'm gonna scroll to accessibility and convenience, tap on it once to select it, double tap to activate, and then go to accessibility, double tap, and then select vision, double tap, and then you should see TalkBack, tap on it, and then double tap, and then you'll see the TalkBack option, tap on it, and then double tap to disable TalkBack, and then confirm by tapping and double tapping, and that's gonna turn off TalkBack on your phone. So now you're good to go. It's really that simple. Thanks for watching and good luck.